Not everybody has a sewing machine at home or have the money right now to go buy new materials. I mean, if they're even in stock. If this is you, continue to watch how you can make a medical grade face mask with a filter pocket, a nose wire for optimal coverage, and it's washable. Non-woven fabric. This is the same materials used in medical face mask. It filters for large particle droplets, bacteria, and germs. An item you can use is non-glossy reusable shopping bags, dust cover clothing bags, or a throw pillow, which is what I actually used. Before you actually use it, make sure you sterilize it. See the link in the description below. Unscented dry sweeping cloths. This is an additional layer of filtration that will absorb fluids still linger in the air. 100% cotton fabric. 2 rubber bands, 1 feet of string, a twist tie, and lastly, 2 5x7 card envelopes. I have a pretty cool trick on how you can use these later on. And for tools, you'll need a ruler, pencil, scissors, and tape. And that's it. First, start off by cutting out the fabric on your non-woven and your sweeping cloth. I basically use my envelope to trace right over it. Next, stack your envelopes on top of each other, get your tape, and tape across the middle. Now grab your scissors and cut down each side of the angles for only one of the envelopes. Measure about 1 inch for the top flap and cut off the excess part. Next, grab your pencil and trace your shape and then cut it out with your scissors. Next, place the 2 pieces of filter in the center of the top half. Fold the bottom half up, just enough so that you can fold down the top flap. Mark 2 dots about 2 inches apart with your pencil. This will be used as our seal later on. Next step, fold the bottom up. Get your 2 rubber bands. Make sure that the rubber bands are pulled snug to the edge. For support, grab 2 pieces of tape and tape down the sides of the rubber bands. Grab your pencil and mark 2 dots inside of the side flap and making sure that it goes through all 3 layers. Once you have your hole, grab your string and pull through all 3 layers of the fabric. Before I actually began this process, I had cut my string in half. Once you pull the string through the second hole, flip it to the back and tie a knot. Make sure that your knot is not too tight so that it crimps up the fabric. This is going to hold the structure of your mask, so once you pull the 2 rubber bands on both sides around your ears. Now let's finish the right side. Remember, poke a hole directly through 1, 2, and 3. After that's done, poke 2 holes where we marked earlier on the flap and where it meets the first layer. Grab your twist tie, bend it and pull it through the holes. So, here's the neat thing. You can take this in and out before you wash it. And the cool thing is, you can hide the wire under the fold. That way you don't get that dent on your face once you take off your mask. I had these huge rubber bands, but feel free to use smaller ones. You can cut them and tie them together as well if you don't have these particular ones that I am using. The twist tie against your face so that it hugs all the gaps. Oh, make sure that it covers down to your chin area. If you have another twist tie, you can put it on the bottom. This will make it a little bit more snug and extra security. Well, and that's it. Easy peasy. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button and share with family and friends that you think can benefit from it. And if you want to see more videos like this, feel free to click the subscribe button. I'm totally new to this ball game and would love your support. Until then, see you next time.